sports cards in beautiful downtown Marion, and we're doing a box of 2008 Topps Moments Milestones. They average 2 autographs per box, lots of numbered inserts, beautiful card design, a nice set.
I'm going to try to follow up from that awesome basketball break you hopefully will watch. Oh, we got an autograph right away. It's Jose Morales. He's a 2008 rookie. Let's see here. There it is. And Soriano numbered to 25. The rest are base numbered to 150. Pack 2. Got David Ortiz, Cano, Manny Ramirez. We got another autograph. 2 packs of autographs. Lance Broadway, 2008 rookie. Put him right there. And Manny numbered 1 of 25. Got A-Rod, Chase Utley, Tim Lincecum, Jeff Kent, and a Tejada numbered to 25. David Ortiz, Trevor Hoffman, Mark Teixeira, Dice K number 24 of 25. Frank Thomas, Dice K, Vernon Wells, Teixeira, a blue Pujols numbered 8 of 10. Maddox, Tomei, Matt Holliday, 2 blacks, Tulowitzki and Hoffman, number 25 each. Got Hunter Pence, Trevor Hoffman, Santana, Tom Glavine, A-Rod, numbered to 25. Ryan Howard, Sheffield, Hanley Ramirez, Garrett Atkins, a blue Mickey Mantle, numbered 3 of 10.
Which if you subtract 3 from 10, that's 7, and that's his jersey number.
Yeah.
So that's a 1 of 1?
That's a 1 of 1, yeah. Matt Holliday got a blue Hideki Okojima, numbered to 10. A-Rod, Jeter, Michael Lowell, Adrian Gonzalez, black Freddie Sanchez, number 25, and Ross Detweiler, rookie card.
Nice looking prospect.
Yeah. I like the design this year, a little better than last year's. See, we got Frank, Chase Utley, Nick Swisher, Manny, got an Ichiro, 1 of 25. Checklist. We got Frank, Jeter, Glavine. We got a 3rd autograph. It's Rich Thompson, 2008 rookie. And Pujols number 25. Got A-Rod, Dice K, Ichiro, McGraw, a rookie of Chris Seaton. It's a black version, number 25. Eric Burns, Trevor Hoffman, Santana, Matt Holliday, and a blue Pedro, number to 10. Couple more packs. A-Rod, Bedard, let's see, Ryan Howard, numbered to 25. Running out of room.
This product comes really loaded.
Yeah. I think we're guaranteed at least 2 autographs if we beat the odds in this box, but I know they have some jersey or some Yankee Stadium pieces too. 2 black variations here of Hunter Pence, number 25, and Scott Kazmir, number 25. Maddox, Fukushima, I got a blue Freddie Sanchez numbered to 10. And the last pack, got, let's see here, Pujols, Tommy, and Black Variation of Polanco, number 25. And that's it.
Topps Moments and Milestones base card design, all numbered to 150. Great looking. And you have your base rookie, numbered to 150 as well. Very nice design. And here are the blue parallels. That's a great card right there. Mickey Mantle, numbered 3 out of 10. And for the Pujols collector and Cardinal fan, that's a great card right there. 13 out of 25, black borders. And a great card with a lot of potential. Black border rookie, numbered 10 out of 25. And we had 3 rookie autograph cards pulled. Very nice autograph here, Lance Broadway. Another nice strong autograph. Great card design and a great box.
Thanks, Topps.